वेलकम टू क्रिप्टो मनी गुरु में आपका स्वागत है दोस्तों। आप देख रहे हो करंटली आई हैव इन बाइनेंस 728,914 right now, and I invested in Vechain, One, Harmony, Hbar, EPS, DGB, Bake, CHILIZ, CKB, and ONT, Tfuel, Lina, JST, COS, MBL, IQ, Rose, Mota, KOSP. These are the current investments which I made yesterday, and the price some decreased because the price I invested history I will show you. But I believe that Vechain is a good investment and it will go to around $1 in near future. But right now I am planning to sell some Vechain at this price. Okay, order history is Vechain. I bought it for 21 cent. One I bought it for 14 cent. IQ I bought it for 2.4 cent. 2.4 cent. Lina I bought it for 12 cent around. And COS I bought it for 3.7 cent. CKB I bought it for 2.8 cent. MBL I bought it for 1.7 cent. JST I bought it for 1.3 cent. 13 cent. ONT I bought it for $1.90. EPS I bought it for $3.32, and I believe it's altcoin. It will be altcoin journey right now in future because हम अभी market में हैं. We are at Ethereum is $3,388. Bitcoin is 56,821. XRP 1.53 cent. Dogecoin 44 cent. What a jump! Cardano is 1.34 cent. Polkadot is $36.85. Some down. Uniswap this, and Chainlink. Vechain is also down 20 cent, near about 21 cent. It is Stellar 54 cent. Theta, Tfuel, File, okay, Tron, what's Sia coin? Because I invested a lot, I want to see what is the price of Sia coin right now. Okay, देखते हैं क्या मिलता है भाई हमें फ्यूचर में. Sia coin is around 4 cent. Yes. चलो अभी तो इन्वेस्ट कर दिया है, देखते हैं क्या बनेगा. और मुझे ये लगता है कि जो Vechain है वो $1 के करीब जाएगा, एंड जो हार्मनी है, हार्मनी वन, वो भी 50 to 60 सेंट में अभी जाएगा जब करंट जो मार्केट ट्रेंड में आएगी, रनिंग मोड में वापस मार्केट जाएगी. अभी तो मैं डाउन में हूँ. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आई एम लूजिंग अराउंड $30,000 US from this investment. When I invested, my total money was here around, I think, 753,000. Yes, 753,000 it was. Right now I am losing 31,000 USD in losing. But दोस्तों आप ना बिल्कुल डिप के ऊपर मार्केट को पकड़ सकते हो, ना बिल्कुल हाई के ऊपर सेल कर सकते हो. सो when you invest, sometime market goes more down. So don't worry. Believe in your investment, believe in your study, and believe in yourself that you are in current in bull run. Definitely, as I think this investment will go to around $900,000, and I am waiting for that time. Now I will not sell my money, and whatever the open orders I put here, I'm going to cancel those orders, because I will hold these coin for a long time, and I am just canceling my sell orders. Okay, I cancelled it. Now see what the price is of current, because bake I bought it for $3.90, and now I want to see what is the price right now of bake token. It's $6.60. Oh yes, it is good, almost double amount. And EPS I want to see. EPS is down because I invested it in it around when it was $3.32. But no worry, I know that when these coin will start running, these will go to double amount. So now I will hold and wait for the market trend, and I know that the market will definitely go upside for minimum for next 1 month. So hold this coin and invest in Vechain, EPS, in one Hormony. Invest, because Hormony is a good blockchain. Right now it's around 14 cent, but when it will run, it will go to around 50 cent. So now it's some more dip, 7.25. Now I am losing around 38. When I invested, it was about 751 or 53 USD it was, but right now I have this. So no worry. I have 1,340,000, and Vechain I have 1,230,453 coins. Hbar I have 196,000, and EPS I have 15,363. DGB I have 234,000 around, and CHILIZ I have 47,610. Bake I am holding 3,723. CKB I am holding around 899,766. ONT I am holding around 9,972. Tfuel I am holding more than 50,000. Lina I am holding more than 137,000. JST I am holding 46,000, more than 46,000. COS I'm holding more than 66,000. MBL I'm holding more than 136,000. IQ I'm holding more than 83,000. And Rose I'm holding around 10,000. And I know when these coins will run, my investment will be more than 1 million. But if not more than 1 million, then definitely sooner or later my investment will touch to around 900,000. Yes, it definitely soon it will touch. So wait and watch when the money will come in, and definitely the money will come in. So invest in these coins, because these are right now in few pennies, few cents. But when these will run, VAT will go to $1. One will go to Hormony, will go to around more than 50 cent. Hbar will go to $1. EPS will go to 50 cent, I think. EPS will go to around $10. So DGB will go to around 40 to 45 cent. CHILIZ may go to $1. Bake, I think will go to $10. Right now it's $6.6 right now. CKB will also go to around 40 cent. But you must have to hold these coin. Believe in your investment. If some dips come, don't sell your coins. Don't sell. Hold tight, and definitely you will make money, because your investment will be good in good companies, good management, good team you are going to invest in. So subscribe the CMG Crypto Money Guru, Bitcoin Crypto. Both are my brand new channels, and whatever I am investing, I will share with you. What I'm selling, I will share with you. When I am exiting, I will share with you. When I will invest, I will share with you. I have invested, I am sharing with you guys. And when I will soon show you here more than 1 million, definitely I will show you. And I believe when these coin will run, here the money will be more than 1 million. So before moving these coins, before running these coins, as the coin will run, so before that time, invest in these coin and you will definitely feel happy. Okay, bye bye. Join the channel, subscribe the hit button, and hit the bell icon, and make a good comment also, and share the video with your friends, with your relatives on Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram, so they can benefit too from this video. And I'm not a financial advisor. I always tell whatever I believe in to make money. So I'm not a fake guy like many people, many cryptocurrency people just make a fake videos, invest in this, sell this, whatever. But I show you the real money, real investment, real accounts. Okay, bye bye, alvida, sat shri akal.